How to use coupons on CN Fans step-by-step guide is here for you. The main thing you have to do is here on your browser you have to search for CN Fans or CN Fans code redeem or how you can simply redeem a code on your CN Fans. The basic step is to click on this website and then here you will see that CN Fans discount and coupon. All coupons and discount for CN Fans. So here you can see that welcome bonus, long-term discount, instant shopping or shipping coupon, or item discount. This is what you can get. And you can claim welcome bonus. You can get up to $129 worth of shipping coupons split into 14 coupon code here for welcome bonus specifics and other thing. As you can see that this is a type of four type of discount you will get on your CN Fans. So firstly find a QR or a promo code or discount code for yourself to claim it, and then you will be able to do this thing simply on the CN Fans website on the redeem page option.
Thank you so much for watching this video.